Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make banana shake. Come on, let's get started. First, we need one chopped banana. We'll put it in the mixer. One cup of milk. Now, banana is already sweet, so we need to put less of sugar. So we have to put only 1 spoon of sugar. So now let's grind it. So now this is ready. So now let's open it. It's finally done. Now let's take our cup and pour it. So this shake you can use for your evening meals. Thank you.